In 3 days, I'm going to the south of France for 3 weeks. Hello, I'm Dylan. I'm a 17-year-old and I'd like to class myself as decently productive. However, in the coming days, I will be going on a holiday with my family to France for 3 weeks. And although I'm not one to be a freak and not relax at all on this holiday, I understand that there's a degree of sacrifice needed in order to pursue my goals that I wish to complete. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the routine I will implement while on holiday to have a really great time relaxing and spending great quality time with my family while remaining productive and continuing to strive towards my goals and not stunt my growth in business and self-improvement. Please bear in mind I'm not using a script in this video, so if I do end up going off on a tangent, then yeah, bear with me. Throughout this daily routine, I'm going to be heavily relying on my morning routine. I'm personally not a morning person. I hate waking up early, but I'm really going to try over the course of the 21-day holiday to wake up on time, and this will be key and paramount to me progressing. My ideology is that if I wake up before 6 a.m. French time, then I will have enough time to get 3 hours of productive work in before I relax for the rest of the day. I'm gonna wake up, make the bed to set the mind and set the room ready for work. My focus of my productive work will be growing my own personal brand, my coaching one-on-one, and my YouTube channel and other social medias this 21 days. I'm going to be using a 3-day cycle. Day number 1, I'm going to be scripting and planning. Day number 2 is going to be recording, and then day number 3 is going to be editing the video and posting it. I'm going to try and maintain a consistency of 2 TikToks and 2 YouTube shorts across my platforms every single day, and this will progress me far and funnel a lot of views towards my channel and my one-on-one coaching. Alongside this, I may have to continue work with this one client that I'm working with at the moment on his poster. However, I'm hoping that will be completed before the holiday and I'll be client free in that sense and can just focus on the almost simplistic work of YouTube. I am aware that I want to relax and I don't really want to overload. Apart from no news Mondays and weekends, I am going to be trading the foreign exchange New York AM session every single day I possibly can. There may be circumstances where I won't have access to the internet. Maybe I'm doing something with the family, because the trading session is rather pungent in the middle of the day. It does get in the way, but I'm going to try my best to stick it out and just lower my risk, because I know if I'm on the go, then I'll have a limited and potentially unprobabilistic outcome on the market. I know my strategy very well. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I know when to step away from the markets, so the amount of time that I'll be putting into the markets will be rather limited. Next up is the physical aspect of this 21 days. I will not have access to a gym at all, or it's very unlikely I will, which does suck. I do love the gym a lot, but I'm going to be trying to use this 2-day cycle that I've come up with. So day number 1, I'll do 100 press-ups, 3 sets of that, and then day number 2 of this cycle will be various sets of pull-ups, increasing the intensity as I'm able to do more pull-ups over the 21 days. This will be nice. Obviously no arm training, no shoulder training, no leg training specifically. Maybe I'll get a few squats in there, but I think my chest and back in terms of muscle groups could do with some isolated work. So we'll see how the results pan out. The final part of this routine that I'm going to be employing on this 21-day holiday is sleeping by 11 p.m. religiously. This is going to be important to maintain the before 6 a.m. wake time, because realistically, if I'm getting suboptimal sleep, I'm probably not going to wake up on time. I'm probably not going to put my maximum effort into the work that I have to do. My family's usually quite consistent and they don't really stay up too late, but there may be a few evenings that an anomaly arises and I'll have to adapt, overcome, and just grind through the sleep deprivation. I'll be using NSDR, which is non-sleep deep rest, to counteract any lack of sleep I have. I think this will restore a lot of vigor and hopefully make it easier to maintain and be consistent on this 21 days. If I can time my circadian rhythm with the French sun and rise and sunset, then I think it would be really, really great to wake up, get outside, drink some water, get the low solar angle sun rays straight to this pineal gland, and yeah, potentially that will make it easier to maintain this consistency and maintain the schedule. Thanks for watching today's video. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one, where I create a specific productivity schedule based on your specific scenario, as well as holding you accountable to yourself over the 21 days we'll work together, then please look at the top link in the description and book a free one-on-one meeting where we can discuss, chat, and maybe link up further in the future. Thank you.